My property manager friends tell me that they love my thorough and understandable inspection videos, my quick quotes for whatever they need, and clear communication. With a large apartment complex or a multifamily building, there are a lot of moving parts. You got maintenance, vehicles, residents, roof leaks to worry about. And my goal as your contractor is to make the job of managing the day-to-day at your property easier. How do I do that? I want to be your one-stop shop for repairs and replacements on the exterior of your buildings. Think about roof leaks, roof replacements, siding or gutter issues, windows, entry doors, even masonry repairs. But I don't want to stop with fixing the problems. Many of my customers have a budget they're trying to keep happy too. Something I've done is provide my property managers with roof assessments on all their buildings during their budgeting season so that they have an idea of what to expect in the coming year for roof repairs. And like I said, Joyland also provides siding, windows, doors, gutters, soffit and fascia work, and even light masonry work like chimney repairs and brick repointing. So whether you need a quote for next year's budget or you have an emergency roof leak, we're here 24/7. Contact me today and I'd love to have the opportunity to show you what my company can do for you and your property.